This spring we decided to take down one of the last eyesores we had on the farm. It's an old corn crib used to store corn cobs back in the day. Here I'm taking the TYM to knock down as many crossboards as I could. They were all covered in staples and nails, and I was trying not to get nails in my tires. So I'm trying to knock them off as best I could before we cut up the sections of the roof and repurpose the section of the roof. We use most of the roofing to build a structure over our sawmill in the woods. Here we're taking the first of, I think it was 5 sections. Obviously, I rented a machine which on paper looked big enough for the job, but obviously not quite big enough for this job. It was maxed out far as the lift or the height. The weight wasn't the problem. It was the height, and the front poles were taller than the back poles to give a pitch on the roof, but I couldn't get around to the other side to take them off that way, so I had to take them off this way. This is one of the more sketchier things that I've done in a while. What I didn't know at the time, that my front right tire as you're sitting in the machine was flat, so that also added to the instability of the undersized machine. I'm getting very good guidance from the ground crew, so we will go through the video of this and I'll try to recreate for you the pressure of doing this job. I'm glad it's done. We got a lot of good reusable roofing, and the poles will also be reusing in the new pole barn going up this year. But I definitely would have rented a larger machine to do it again. So enjoy the footage, and thanks for watching.